Good evening, Elliott Wave appreciators. Before I'm gonna look at the crypto, I'm gonna check quickly the SPX and the current move that got everyone scared, obviously, because crypto followed it. But every time SPX started falling down, started correcting, we just had a bull buy, right? So before we have some drastic movement, such as invalidating the previous four, well, then I'm gonna be worried about this. Up until then, I'm just gonna expect continuation up. So having said that, counting the current move, I cannot really call any of these waves being a significant tree. And when you look at the other waves also in the development, it's not as easy to spot an impulse on the SPX. Just counting this one, for example, I would put it something like that. But even then, I cannot rely on it definitely. So I'm counting swings, and the more significant swing is, the more I'm going to be tempted to call it internal four of a larger structure. Here is as far as I got in the current move, and I think that we're only making a wave 3 of a larger structure. And even this 5, for me, it's not the end. There's a larger 3 up there. I'm not gonna go there right now. So this one also I evaded counting because I don't know if the move is done, to be honest. Here I can go on 1 hour. Significant drop again. This one can just be done already. However, we're under this median line of a larger projected pitchfork, and this one I don't want to count because I can just make a mistake, to be honest. If it's a larger drop, I'm gonna count 4. If not, I think that 5 is not done yet, the 3 is not done yet. Okay, moving on to Bitcoin. So the larger time frame since the beginning of, I don't even remember when I started counting. I think we're doing this right now of a larger 5. Anyone that does Elliott Wave is gonna be thinking, right, we'll have a significant move up, side, and up. So something very well could be done because we have 5 major swings. If we want to play the inner structure, then again I think that we've done already the series of 1 2 1 2, or I'm gonna zoom in, no worries. And now we're playing with the 3 4 3 4, and maybe we're gonna have a final kick of the fifth wave. I don't want to go into the theory of is this being a 1 2 a 1 2, and now we're just building a bigger 1 2 of a larger pattern, of a larger tree, because I cannot rely on that. I'm not gonna say that this is not possible. I'm just gonna say that I cannot rely on that, and I'm gonna count it this way until the point where I'm wrong, and I'm not gonna get married to my counts. That's the thing that I want to convey here. So counting it the way I do right now, I think we're in some sort of a wave 4 right now. So I did this one just for you guys to see how I'm looking at it right now in a smaller time frame. So either 1 2 1 2 1 2, or a 1 2 and a 1 flat, like this being 2 here, right? But then I saw an inner 1 2 3 4 and 5 just to complete this one. You can count a mini triangle here, I didn't label it, and then finish something over there, and then you would have your fifth here, which will complete the 3, right, if the 4 is there. So now we might be working on some sort of a flat, this being A B C 4 5 to end the 3 4 5. Let me put it back. Or this was just a bigger triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then the red impulse to end something. No matter what, I'm looking at this area as a formation for the next move, and it could already very well be done as we speak right now. And of course, I'm gonna zoom in and get there why I think so. And what are we looking for? A confirmation of it being done. Even if we make a strong impulse and we have something completed here in 5, I think I would be tempted to close my longs. And this is not a financial advice for you. Even though that I think there could be another leg up after that, I think that profit taking is already a decent idea. Why do I think that this could be a 4 here, and how can I see a flat over there? Assume that something ended up here. So how do I see a flat here? If we had, let's say, up, down there, 1, 2, no, this is 3, let's assume 4 here and a 5. You have a 3, a 3, and a 5 for your wave A. This is your first flat, 3, 3, 5. Now there's A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is a second 3-wave move. 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 5. Are we done? Well, if this happens, if we go above assumed previous wave 4 and we have a break of structure, and if we do it impulsively, then a pullback could be a bullback. If this impulse was just a wave 1 to go back to the Stone Age, well, then you're gonna have your shorts there, right? And also, maybe to reach that, we also need a 3-wave move, right? Something like that. Well, it's gonna either be A, B, C, or a 1, 2, off we go for more. That is my current opinion on the Bitcoin, and I posted this already in our Discord group of the TradeDevils, in the TradeDevils analysis. That I'm expecting something like that. To measure this, you can do this, and even this could be a target as well. But for the moment, this goes in the category of running flat. Okay, this one is an enigma for me, but I've been counting it as a triangle all this time, and all this time after this failed, right? And the only thing that I can see, to be honest, is a 3, a 3, a 3, and again a 3, which is also a good news, to be honest, because if we have a barrier ascending triangle, that means that the incoming move is going to be a nice ripper. If this is some sort of a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, no worries, guys, I'm going to be even happier if that goes. But other than that, I don't know what to say anymore for Ethereum. XRP is, in my opinion, forming some sort of a wave 4. Dear God. So until I see something like that, I'm still holding my positions in XRP. Can XRP do something like this? This being a wave 1, 2, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yes, it can do that. It can also do something like that. This being a 1, 2, this being whatever, right? And then it goes something like, I don't know, 7, 12, 15. XRP doesn't care. So lower time frame, right? What do I see lower time frame? I see a move down, perhaps a triangle for a B and a C. That's a zigzag. That's a zigzag. Currently I don't know what this is, but most likely a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A, B, C. If we get another zigzag up, well, even more chances for a triangle forming. Okay, so this would go for the big bear appreciators. If this move was an impulse and we had an A, B, C here, well, yeah, that's gonna be a short here, back to the Stone Age. However, if we're looking at this being done over there and we have a new thing beginning, 1, 2, well, this one is only a wave 1 of a larger tree, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, wherever Ada wants to go. And then if we look at this being 1, 2, I mean, right? Okay, quickly to look at this. I'm thinking one more leg up on ADA. So there are these guys that look like this, like after a long time of dropping, we have a awakening, right? And this is, I thought it's gonna go more, to be honest, but now I cannot not see this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And a three-way move. Is this a wave 2, or this was just a first zigzag, and then we have in between move, a wave X, a fake, and then another zigzag? Because that was a rather quick drop. We had a decent amount of drop, right? Retesting, but not enough time. So we might anticipate something like this happening and expecting a wave 2 here. Hurry up and wait, or just accumulate if you're a spot holder, which is a smart thing to do. Link is similar to ADA. If this is a 1, 2, this is going to be only a 1, 2. And to be honest, waves 2 tend to be sharp. So this could be a normal phenomenon for if we're gonna see another story of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if this is an ABC, well, that's another sad story. Okay, I think this would be all. I'm sorry, I don't feel the best. You can tell by my voice. Join us whenever you guys want. We have a free room in TradeDevils, and we have also member rooms in the Discord as well. You can check it all out on TradeDevils.com. Have fun and good luck trading. Bye.